Sharing a PDF on your website is a great way to communicate information to your potential target audience, but it doesn't have to be boring. So I'm going to show you a way that you can use Canva, which is my favorite digital resource right now. We use it for just about everything. I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create a really unique way to not just share a PDF the standard way through Squarespace, but actually embedding it on the website. So for instance, this is the Highlands Detroit website, and they have an events menu that you can just pull up to view their menu. It is, as you can see, it's a PDF. It is embedded. We're using the Lightbox pop-up for this one, but end users can just scroll through this handy little events menu with all the FAQs, the actual full menu with prices. You can also use this as your opt-in. So if you have a newsletter and you wanted to give a free resource to your clients in order to get them to sign up for the email capture, that's a great way to do it. The website that I'm going to show you right now is actually using it as a welcome packet, which I love because they're sharing valuable information with new guests on their website. So the standard way would be to just come into the website, create a page, create a either a button or a verbiage link that would have them open their resource. So I'm just going to type resource in here. You would go to link and you would click the settings wheel, go to file, and then choose the digital marketing packet, in this case the digital welcome packet. And now the clients, when they get to this page, would be able to click and open up that PDF. So that works just fine, but you see that it's just not quite as pretty as we'd like it to be. So this packet was actually created in Canva by Sarah, who is the owner of One Salon, and she did a fabulous job with this packet. It's 9 pages, chock full of information that all of her salon guests, as a new guest, will need to know. Just super impressed by what she's done with it. Created it in Canva, but rather than downloading it as a PDF, which we would normally do and then upload it to the website, instead we are going to come to these 3 little dots here on the far upper right hand corner of Canva. We are going to say that we want to share it, but we're going to, sometimes you're going to have to click the more option in order to get that. When you see in the share options, you're going to see this embed. If you click on the embed option, it's going to give you the code either in an HTML embed code or the smart embed link. We want to copy the HTML embed code, so we're just going to click copy. And that code can now be brought back over here into Squarespace, which of course is being slow right now. Okay, so rather than having it here on a button, I am going to say edit. I am going to delete this button block, and instead I am going to insert an embed block right here. Rather than embedding a URL link, I'm going to click here so that I can embed data, and I am going to paste my embedded data and save. So now these potential clients have this great resource book that they can click through. However, if you scroll down, you're going to see that it says Canva here. It has this little share link here, but it says Digital Welcome Packet by Sarah. It's going to automatically show you what the name of the title for the Canva file is and then who made it. To get rid of that, you're going to just say edit, and you are going to come into the code area here. So I'm just going to edit my embed code and click back on the embed data area. And if I scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom, I am going to see, let's move this over. First, I'm going to see where it says Digital Welcome Packet. So that's the name of the document. You have to be very careful to come in between these brackets. So I like to go back to my math days and think of this one as being the greater than, and this is the less than symbol. So we want to kind of come through between the greater than and less than symbol and erase the title of that. So I'm going to delete only that so that now my greater than and less than symbol are next to each other. And then this by Sarah, I can just erase that as well. So I'm not doing anything else with the rest of the code. I'm only getting rid of the title of the document and the who it was by. Then I'm going to save, and I'm going to scroll back down, And now I'm going to see that it still says Canva. It still shows me kind of what the progression, what page we're on. And then I still have my share button. I don't mind giving Canva the credit for this because it's fantastic. They just do a really, really great job. And I also feel like this isn't really that obtrusive, and it is still kind of letting people see how far along in the packet they are. And I love the fact that they can actually share it with other people. So that is how you can choose to, rather than use just a standard button, you can actually have a page that works so much better, I think, when you're not making someone go to a button, click it open, and then they're just looking at kind of a standard PDF. They're actually able to open it up much like an ebook and engage with the information that you're giving them. So that is one of my new favorite tips that I wanted to share with you guys.